Golden, creamy and full of flavour, this rich, creamy Egyptian Ali dessert is the ultimate comfort sweet. This Middle Eastern classic is simple, cosy and perfect for sharing with family and friends. Flaky layers soaked in warm, creamy goodness and topped with crunchy nuts. Every bite is soft, buttery and perfectly indulgent. If you love warm desserts that melt in your mouth, this one is a must-try. Fresh from the oven with a beautiful golden top, the aroma of warm spices, toasted nuts and creamy milk makes it impossible to resist. Do try this delicious Egyptian bread pudding. Rich, creamy and full of flavour. And once you try it, you'll want to make it again and again. It was so delicious, you'll forget every other dessert. Do try this recipe on this Eid. Everyone will ask how you made it and what it is. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Ali. Let's get started. Take 600 milliliters milk. Microwave it until warm. Add 1 tablespoon butter for richness. 2/3 cup condensed milk. Add approximately 120 milliliters thick cream. Quarter teaspoon cardamom and cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Combine well. Milk mixture is ready. Keep it aside, we'll use it later. Separately take 100 milliliters thick cream. Pour quarter cup condensed milk. Mix it well. Microwave it for 4 to 5 seconds if needed. Cream mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Our croissant baked beautifully. Take about 5 to 6 croissants, depending on how big they are. Cut them into 4 pieces. You can use puff Khari as well. Arrange them into oven-safe casserole dish. Lightly toast croissants in oven before adding milk. They absorb better. Bake it in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Time may vary depending on size and type of oven. The croissant baked beautifully. The croissants are well toasted. Once the croissants have cooled, pour the milk mixture evenly over the croissants. Add chopped almonds, chopped pistachio, raisins, one tablespoon desiccated coconut, pour cream mixture over it so it forms a creamy layer. Cover it completely. Again layer with chopped almonds. Chopped pistachios. Raisins, 1 to 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut, sprinkle 1 tablespoon sugar on top. It's time to bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, check. If top isn't golden, bake 5 minutes more. should be golden, bubbling across edges, and slightly creamy in the centre. Let it rest 5 to 7 minutes after baking. It thickens nicely. You can have it warm or cold, but I suggest refrigerating it first. It tastes even better. It was so delicious, you'll forget every other dessert. Do try this recipe on this Eid. Everyone will ask how you made it and what it is. Do try this delicious Egyptian bread pudding. Rich, creamy, and full of flavour. It's the perfect dessert for gatherings, and once you try it, you'll want to make it again and again. It's super delicious. Do try it and thank me later. Share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.